Namaskar and Adab to all my friends from your friend astrologer and guide Irfan, once more with you from your very own channel Astro Assurance. Today we will be talking about what the month of June 2020 will bring forward as probable results or probable events that Cancer ascendant natives may face in June 2020. So let's get along with it. Now firstly, for a lot of signs, June 2020 is going to be a turnaround month in many ways. In spite of the coronavirus thing completely not going over or overshadowing our lives, in spite of that, it will be a turnaround month for a lot of us, a change bringing month for a lot of us because of various changes that may be made in salary structure, in organization structure, in way we do business, in way we approach our lives, in way we do our social contacts and so forth. So in that manner, it will be a lot of change bringing month. However, it will also be turnaround month for a lot of us and for a good manner. So almost for all the signs, June 2020 will be in some way or the other a turnaround and an opportunity bringing month for almost everyone, except two ascendants, which is Sagittarius and Pisces, for whom Jupiter going into its debilitation sign, they may face slightly more challenges than the others. Yet even for them, there will be a lot of changes and opportunity bringing events for Sagittarius and Pisces. And even if and Jupiter is a very prosperity bringing planet and a benefic, so in spite of not being in the best of energies for Sagittarius and Pisces ascendant natives, yet if Jupiter is strong in your horoscope, then it could be in fact better than all other signs, because Jupiter is a prosperity bringing planet, and it is for Sagittarius ascendant natives, it will be transiting through your second house of earnings and savings, so there is an opportunity there. And for Pisces ascendant natives, again 11th house transit is not a bad transit for even for Jupiter in its debilitation sign, because a lot of social networks, social contacts and large organizations or working a large organization will be triggered. So overall June 2020 I find very good for a lot of ascendants. In fact, for all the 12 signs, little bit more beneficial for some and slightly less beneficial for the others. However, it will be a more of a turn bringing or a turnaround month for almost all the signs. So this is a good month, a good news for everyone. Similarly, for Cancer ascendant natives also, Saturn, which rules your 7th house and 8th house, being placed in the 7th house itself means lot of stability which comes in your marriage. If your relationships are going through a lot of ups and downs, this is the time for stability. So you will either seek stability by moving away from some toxic energies, toxic relationships, or you may make peace and you may overcome all your relationship challenges and finally after a long time be in a stable relationship or make the relationship stable, and this will be for a long time. People who make the relationship stable in the month of June, you will find that this relationship will be stable for next 5 years. Why? Because Saturn is going through its own sign and in retrogression, which means that during its retrogression, any challenges, if you overcome that, because Saturn being at its most powerful, these changes will remain with you for a long time. So buckle your seat and try and solve your relationship issues for a long time to come, and possibly once and for all. Secondly, your 6th lord and 9th lord Jupiter is also transiting through your 7th house, which means for a lot of people who work in teams, especially at work, a good month to fructify, strengthen your team relationships, fructify any results that you want to get from your service or from your job, and to strengthen your teams or to utilize your teams or project work to put forward a better result in front of your superiors. So this is a strong month for that as well. This is accentuated because Jupiter is also a 9th lord of bringing in a lot of fate and luck to your service, to how you work in teams. So make the best use of it, because Jupiter in its debilitation sign too, but in the 7th house, does bring in a lot of wisdom on how you treat and deal with teams or your relationship or even in partnerships. or in business. So if you are in business, again a great month for people, because small changes you may make. At the start you may feel that this is not a good month for you, especially after lockdown. You will have to take care of many things, but these changes that you make in the month of June will serve you for a long time to come. And in fact, this could be a blessing in disguise for a lot of people, because how you do business will be, how you work in teams and how you do work will be a different manner from earlier. So it will take you few months to settle in, but once you settle in, you will remember this month June as a month where it brought about a change in various aspects of in your life. This is also important because if you look at how Sun is placed in your in transit, with Sun being the fifth lord, second lord, earnings and savings will be under focus. You will try to improve your earnings and savings because of the association of Sun and Mercury at the start of the month, because Mercury is also your third lord and Mercury is also your 12th lord and transiting through your 12th house. So you will be focusing on putting in more effort and stopping your expenses and increasing your earnings. The focus will be there because Sun is second lord and the lord of earnings and savings. So you will try and improve your earnings. There may be an increment for people, even if it's a small one to a great one. You will get some earnings, you will improve those earnings, you will improve your savings, and you will focus on that. So a good month for overall improving of earnings, taking care of your security and your savings, with Sun transit and Mercury transit also, with Mercury also being the 12th lord and the third lord. Venus is very well placed in the 11th house, and Venus also rules your 4th house. So 4th lord and 11th lord, Venus being placed in the 11th house itself means a lot of you may want to socialize again. Cancer is a sign of home, domestic life, home affairs and family. So you may bring together people in get-togethers, even small get-togethers towards the end of the month. So you may socialize more, you may either visit folks or you may call people over, and this will be a good overall month for socializing and reaching out to your network. Some of you who are finding problems in your job or service, you may reach out to your network and social contacts and or your business contacts, and you may also find that you gain out of them. They will be more helpful to you also. So overall, aspirational or aspirations bringing month to you, or aspirations fructifying month for Cancer ascendant natives, with the overall energies coming together. So please make the best use of these energies. Use your focus on earnings, use your focus on teams and partnerships, use your focus on your relationship with supervisors and your managers well, and use them to be able to push forward in life and to change a lot of perspectives in your life. So friends, overall a good month for Cancer ascendant natives as well as for a lot of other signs. So please like this video, please share this video, and please press the bell icon so that you get to know when my new video is coming. Please subscribe to my channel. If you are looking for a personal consultation from me, please reach out to me at the links given below. And till we meet again, this is your fellow astrologer, friend and guide, signing off. Ciao.